Hey everyone, Mr. Sujano here. Fightcade just had a major update. If you're a fan of Dreamcast or Naomi games, well, you're gonna like this one. MvC2 has been freed. Let's get started. Alright, to kick things off, if you have no idea what Fightcade is, at a really high level, it's pretty much the best way to play some retro games online in a multiplayer format. I do have a tutorial on how to set up and get going with it, and I'll leave it in the description below. I do recommend checking it out. It's 100% free, both my tutorial and Fightcade. Now, at the time of this video, Fightcade has just released version 2.1.14. This release contains a massive update. GGPO support for Flycast. You probably know Flycast as an emulator for Sega Dreamcast, Atomic Wave, and Naomi. A couple of games that are popular with this emulator, well, we got Capcom vs SNK 2 and Marvel vs Capcom 2. Both of these games now have rollback netcode thanks to GGPO. This is huge news. If we take a look at the most popular games on Fightcade right now, we do have MvC2 and CVS2 sitting right in the top 5. So yeah, people are excited about this one. In fact, I have a very big hunch that MvC2 is going to jump to number 1 on the list when a certain individual decides to stream it. Now, I've had the chance to test out Flycast with rollback, and I will say it's not perfect, but it is pretty darn good. And just to see if other people were having the same experience that I was, I checked in with SilentScope here, who is a massive member of the CVS2 community, and they are liking it as well. If you want to see Flycast with rollback in action, or some high-level play, or ask a few questions, or meet some members of the community, I'll leave a link to SilentScope's Twitch channel in the description below, and I do recommend checking it out. It's highly entertaining and the gameplay here is incredible. Now, in an earlier video, we talked about how Digital Eclipse was interested in bringing back MvC2, but adding rollback netcode to it. They were listening to the community. And it was reported that they were sitting down with Disney and with Capcom trying to make this happen. Some people are wondering, with the release of rollback on Flycast and the ability to play MvC2 now on Fightcade, is this going to hurt that re-release? And the answer here is probably not. I mean, Digital Eclipse released Street Fighter 30th Anniversary Edition, and it was pretty successful, yet every one of those Street Fighter games is heavily emulated. And that's because this game here contains a ton of extra stuff that you just don't get with emulators. At the end of the day here, this is a huge release for Fightcade, and Flycast with GGPO is only going to get better moving forward. But anyways, that is all I've got for this video. Let me know your thoughts about Flycast with GGPO, rollback netcode, in the comments below. Which games do you play on Flycast? Are you going to try some new games out? And do you use Fightcade, or are you going to try it? If you like this video, leave a like. If you didn't like this video, leave a like. Hit that subscribe button, check out my other videos. Thank you everyone, take care.